Nothing really irritates me more than when you go out to a bar and ask for an old-fashioned and the bartender has no idea what you're talking about. To make an old-fashioned, you're going to need a rocks glass. Mine are all dirty, so I'm kind of just using this short glass from my cupboard. You're going to need ice tongs, a jigger, and a bar spoon. First step is sweetener. A lot of people like to use a sugar cube. I personally prefer simple syrup. It's a lot easier. You're going to take your simple syrup and pour it into your glass. Next, you're going to take Angostura bitters, which is a kind of citrus bitters, and we're going to throw about 3 to 4 dashes in there. Next, we're going to take our ice. Normally I like to use clarified ice, but I didn't make any advance, so we're just going to use this ice ball. After that's in there, you're going to go ahead and pick your whiskey. Now, for an old-fashioned, I prefer a bourbon or a rye. Today I have Woodford Reserve Kentucky Straight Bourbon. We're going to throw 2 ounces into our jigger and pour that on in there. Next, we're going to go ahead and take our bar spoon and stir it for about 15 or 20 seconds. This allows us to dilute the drink and also chill it down. Now would be a good time to hum 15 to 20 seconds of your favorite tune. Lastly, we're going to garnish with citrus. Remember, orange for bourbon and lemon for rye. We're going to squeeze out some of those oils over the drink, twist it up. Optionally, you can scrub those oils around the glass, and we're just going to drop that in. And there you have it, the old-fashioned. God damn, that's delicious.